Hello everyone, Only the Repair Dude is here again. In this tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to unblock erase and erase bypass device. Some tools block erase on bypass device, like this iPhone 7 that I use tap by activator, which will block erase, making erase tool not working. The first step is to install the dependency.sh by Silver as it contains the iproxy. Go to Finder, Application, Silver, check any iCloud bypass, iOS 14 iCloud bypass, you get this, click continue, click install necessary file, follow the instruction on the dialog, and if you get the no Homebrew, please do check out my Homebrew installation tutorial. I'll be giving the links in the description below. I already installed Homebrew and the dependency needed. I'll click OK, click done, click back, and quit Silver. The next step is to jailbreak the device. Open checkra. Before I forget, I go to iPhone, click Trust. Open the iPhone. If the iPhone requests to trust the computer, tap Trust. For my case, it doesn't, so I just close Finder now. Now I'll jailbreak the device. Quit all terminal windows if necessary. If you get this prompt, click on Now, click Done, close checkra. Now for the next step, which is to use iproxy to set up the SSH connection. I got the command ready, but first, delete known host. First, open the terminal window, delete known host to ensure that the connection is successful. If you get this, there is no host file to delete, so you can proceed to the next step, which is to open iproxy with the correct ports. The four tools are the port we go to connect, and the 44 is for the checkra SSH server on the iPhone. Once you get this, open another terminal window. Copy and paste this command, which is to establish the connection to iPhone, the SSH connection. Type yes. Now enter the password. The password is alpine, is ALPINE. Once you get that, now for the actual unblocking of erase, which is the last command, which is launchctl load -f-w system library LaunchDaemons com.apple.mobile.obliteration.plist. This will enable erase on the device if it's blocked. Once you get this, now you are ready for the erase. Go to application, fixmate. This tool I'll be using to erase the device. Click erase device. Click yes. Allow the erase process to begin. Boom, you get this. Device has been successfully erased. Allow the device to erase. You should notice that it will not boot back to the home screen. If you get this dialog again, click on Now. And there you have it. The device is now erased and on the hello screen. I really hope you find my tutorials useful. Please like, share and comment on my video, subscribe to my channel, and please do donate. The link to donate is in the description below, and see you in the next tutorial video.